Hello there, welcome to the web concept. So, first thing we need is to create MongoDB account. Go to the mongodb.com and sign in or sign up your account. Check, I accept, and submit. Our account is created. Now we have to create a cluster. Keep all the things as default. You can change the cluster name. Press Create Cluster. We need a database user and IP address. It may take 1 to 3 minutes to create. Go to the database access and press Add New Database User. Enter username and password. And select Read and Write to any database. So now add IP address. The MongoDB automatically catch the IP address. After that it will give you the connection string for Nodejs. Also you can download the MongoDB Compass to see your data. I already installed MongoDB Compass. Copy the connection string. Open the MongoDB Compass. Paste the string and enter your password. Here we go, our database is working. Now for the Node application, download and install the Nodejs and MongoDB. I already downloaded and installed it. We need to install some packages. After install all the packages, create a new file app.js. We need to write some code to run the Node application. Enter your password. To run the server, run the command nodemon app.